y'all, I wanted to talk about a recent fail of mine. I bought the e.l.f. On Point Concealing and Blending Sponge because I've heard a lot of people talk about this sponge, the butt plug sponge as they've been calling it, and they all liked it. I like the shape of it, but really honestly, this is not a good sponge. It's so hard. The rubber is so hard. Like, I'm used to my Real Techniques, my Japanese, everything that's so bouncy and just cushiony. This is like complete rubber. It did grow when I used it, but, and like I said, I do like the shape of it. I do not like the consistency of it. So this is a complete fail. Taking this back to Ulta, even though I used it, I'm gonna be like, you keep this and don't recommend this product to anybody because it was a major fail for me. No good. e.l.f. On Point Concealing and Blending Sponge. Save your pennies. I think it was $5. Save your $5 and don't get this product. Do not get this product. It was a complete fail. I did not like it. I'm gonna take it back. I don't know if you could see. Let's zoom it in. Do you see my waterline? See, like it's all missing. I bought this product, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Last, because I had seen someone on here, I can't think of her name at the time, real Canadian, long blonde, well now she cut it short, real tiny little petite thing. She's got like over 1 million subscribers. Anyway, she had recommended this, said it lasted forever. I could see that this would last forever on skin, but I bought it specifically for the waterline and it doesn't work. And I got a hair right here. It doesn't work. It doesn't hold up in the waterline, so I will be returning this also because I have very watery eyes, very watery, itchy, gets irritated type eyes because I do wear contacts, and so I was hoping that this would last in my waterline, and it did not, unfortunately. So I have too many darn black eyeliners to keep this. I think that this would last really nicely on top of the skin, but as far as a waterline type eyeliner, it didn't work. So this is another product I will be returning. I believe I paid like $8.99 for this. Anywhere from $8.99, $9.99, and this is also going to go back up to 24-hour wear. Not in your waterline. So the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Last, nope, nope, nope. If you have eyes like mine where they water, and if you're like a laugh crier, then this is not going to work because when I laugh, I cry, and when I just am being, my eyes are very watery. So I'm sorry, this darn hair keeps like popping up in my face. This did not work. So taking this back and taking back the sponge, these things did not work. Did not work. So gonna go back. Gonna go back. Gotta go back. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Save your money, honey, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.